Huawei's CEO is walking around and getting photographed with this phone that no one's ever seen before. And when you zoom in on it, it looks like it's a 3-layered stack, as in a triple folding phone. Trifold.
Right. We love it.
Huawei's not making a trifold right now. Maybe they will. This is the equivalent of like Sundar Pichai walking around with like a unreleased Pixel. Like, you're the CEO, you know people are going to photograph you. This is basically an ad. I don't know where to start with my thoughts on this.
Remember when the iPhone 10 slipped out of Tim Cook's pocket during the interview he was giving?
Yeah, it's like, you're Tim Cook. Everyone's taking pictures of everything you do. Everyone like zooms in on the bulge in your pocket anyway and thinks maybe that's a phone that's not released based on the square of the camera, whatever. It's like, good job, Huawei CEO. Now we're talking about Huawei phones.
You think this is straight up him?
On purpose.
You think he did it on purpose?
100%.
Yeah.
There's another shot of him on a plane with it fully unfolded.
Yeah.
So he's on a plane just next to other people, just holding it.
Am I the only one that's kind of surprised that he doesn't have his own private jet for everything?
Well, how else do you get these photos out?
Yeah. Yeah.
We wouldn't
I'm
be
not
talking about
totally
these
sure.
if he was on a private jet.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, there's no trifold yet. My other take on this, though, is...
Wait.
What?
You know what's really funny about this? The like paparazzi photos of him using the Huawei phone have the Huawei Mate X5X image
Watermark.
watermark.
Yeah.
That screams plan.
At first,
This is such a plan, dude.
I found the Huawei CEO, and I happen to know what he looks like.
And they're like, look at the zoom. You can crop in like crazy, and the quality's still good.
amazing.
This quality's
Huawei.
terrible, by the way.
I know. But,
Yeah.
you know,
But anyway, my
add
other
zoom
take
enhance.
is that a triple folding phone is
epic.
not
What?
a good idea.
Why?
You guys are crazy.
Because I just don't see a way that you can fold it twice and not have one side be roofably exposed to the elements. And also, how do you hold a triple folding? Like, which ways does it fold? Is it folding... How is it?
So it goes
Ow.
screen on top.
'Cause
and
the
then
second
it
fold-
slips around like this.
Okay, it has to be an S. It has to be an
Yeah.
S. Okay, anyway. So there's a bunch of ways
You can see the back, so it's not on the back. The screen is not on the back.
Screen's
It's a
not on the
regular
back.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good
because
point.
you got cameras on the back.
Wow, how does this work?
That's what I'm saying. now it's
Oh, no. It's just that it has a screen on one side, has two screens.
What?
Okay.
You mean the Wait, what? No. Yeah.
This has a screen on the front, so you use it regular in like candy bar mode, right? And then that opens and has a screen under it, and
Okay.
then there's another screen.
Okay. So
Then the middle inside screen is just, I think they said 10 inches.
This is too much.
I think this makes the most sense because like this is actually the folding tablet that you're looking for. Like 10 inches is
Sure.
a full-blown tablet.
that
A
would
really
be the
wonky accordion one. But
that would be a good reason for it to exist over a regular. Because right now we have our dual screen, our folding screen. Let's say Pixel Fold type devices or Galaxy Z Fold type devices, where the screen on the outside is normal-ish phone sized, and then the screen on the inside is small tablet sized. So there's a world where you could argue that a triple folding phone
10 inches.
can give you a full-size tablet in your pocket.
Imagine
you
the
could-
Nexus 10 in your pocket.
The Nexus 10 had these nice bezels to hold with my
Giant
hands.
bezels.
That was kind of nice, actually. I don't know. I want to give it some time to develop and breathe and be a real product, because just based on these photos, all we really get to do is talk about Huawei and what they might be doing.
it looks wonky how he's holding it. Like it doesn't look like it's
Yeah.
folding out flat when he's got it open, and that would be a huge bummer.
Yeah.
But if they could pull it off,
How
it'd be cool.
expensive would this be?
Yep.
Wait, so let's imagine one screen phones are $900. The $1,700 for most folding phones. So we just add another
$2,700.
25 to 3,000.
We're only like 17 hinges away from crumple phone.
Can I?
A lot of hinges.
Can I just say my favorite part of this? One of the top replies to this was casually testing the device with no disguising case. And I just want to know what disguising case this person thinks a tri-folding phone could be in.
A box.
It's just a shadow box that he like
Yeah.
sticks his head in to use the whole thing.
Yeah.
It's like the CEO of like Ford driving around an unreleased car. It's like, you wanted us to talk about this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't you? No disguise.
Didn't you?
Or it's not a phone they're ever going to put out, and the CEO is just like, I want this.
Just flexing.
I'm the
That's
CEO.
awesome.
Cook it up for me.
So that's a good. I don't know this CEO very well, but that there are
Yu.
CEOs like that.
I would 100% do that.
Just be like, I want this one of one.
Yeah, like
phone.
no one else wants this iPhone Mini, but make me the iPhone Mini.
I think they're gonna put it out.
Guys, all I have to do is become the CEO of Apple and I can get a new one.
I think Huawei is going even harder on making their phones more unique, considering they're like not sold anywhere else in the U.S. anymore, or not even in the world. Are they even sold in Europe anymore?
No, I believe they're sold in Europe.
Are they? Okay.
Huawei.
Because they were for a bit. I think maybe Honor is there now, but I'm not sure about Huawei anymore. But either way, I think that they're trying to go even harder to just be like, see what you guys are missing. We got innovation and technology. Yeah, I do miss the Huawei P series phones. Those phones are awesome. They basically invented like
Really
low light photography on smartphones.
Yeah.
The P30 Pro.
That thing was
It was
crazy.
freaking
P30.
I remember playing with
crazy.
that in a bar in San Francisco with
my
you.
God.
And oh my God, it was insane.
Yeah, it's saw in the dark for sure. It's crazy. My weird YouTube thing
see what you're
is
talking about.
that I watch a bunch of YouTube videos while I shower, like with my phone in the shower
Where's your phone?
in my hand, because they are all water resistant. I don't have them under the water. I have them out of the water.
Small distinction, but
yourself?
Bro, you don't got two hands?
What kind of? Yeah, you got another hand. Come on.
do you
If
ever
you're
switch
watching
hands, or
right
is, your,
now from the
is
shower,
it always the same?
please.
I sometimes switch hands when I pivot my body, and then I sometimes have to like lean over and get my towel and like wipe my phone down, and because sometimes it doesn't work.
Steamy and like doesn't.
Yeah,
work.
yeah.
Oh,
You need MagSafe.
I have done something.
It's true.
This is extremely unrelatable, but there's a glass thing, and I had the iPad. I was watching a live stream, so I couldn't like pause it. So I leaned the iPad up against the glass so I could shower, but I could still see the live
Yeah,
stream.
that's kind of a hack though.
Yeah,
It's kind of smart.
yeah.
That's not as stupid as me.
It's just holding. I've never heard of that before.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. I just want to imagine Marques in the shower with the iPad like this.
Showering, watching things on the iPad. Well, it's a